The bait of glory.
Okay, so what we're using here, using power bait, crappie nibbles, and it's what really gets them catching. If you ever
Yeah.
want to catch anything nice, get these crappie nibbles. They really get the job done. Alright, I'm fishing here. Great Faucet Lake area. This is it's the best spot ever. Look out there, it's crystal clear. I need a bigger weight on this bobber. Okay.
We got a big one. How does he do it? How does he do it?